All right, we're getting everything back situated here. Welcome, everybody. Let me get Legacy in here as well in our music. Man, such a pain, such a pain. When you set stuff up and it doesn't work how you intend it to work, gotta love it. Gotta love it. Let's see here. All right. I know everyone in Legacy, they're like, where's Duane at? Where's Duane at? Don't worry, people. I'm coming. I'm coming. All right, where's the Zoom? Good morning, Legacy. Sorry about that. I had everything set up, ready to go. I had to take the kids to school this morning. And as soon as I tried going live, right at 9:20 there, it was not showing me my virtual camera. So gotta love it. Gotta love it. Let me log in here.
Got a lot of lines here on the jar. We got 8 minutes till market opens. 8 minutes.
Did everyone have a good night last night?
Yep.
Awesome.
Gage said he washes his hands before he eats. Gotta make sense.
Alrighty. I did roll over. So your boy did roll over this morning. So I'm officially rolled over.
326.
Yes, sir. 326 for the Nasdaq. Since we rolled over this morning.
People talking about pooping. Sometimes, it just happens. Standing up.
It'll take 27 minutes to change on my charts.
All right, finally, I'm getting everything situated back because, man, slightly was annoying. Slightly was annoying, but we're good. We're good.
I haven't heard you complain this much until you were like styling your hair in the old days.
Styling my hair. Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
I was checking out
Duane.
Yeah.
You switched to the March 2026, right?
Yeah, I rolled over.
All right. Same here.
I rolled over, boys.
When you say you rolled over, I wasn't sure if it was the market or if you were laying on the couch and rolled over and hit the floor. I don't know.
I rolled over. I was like, I'm gonna have to do this too. You know what I'm saying? Like everyone else rolled over, so I gotta roll over as well. Good morning, Chan. Good morning, Unk. Good morning, Woody. Just getting these chats pulled up here. Had to reset my computer this morning.
It's like freaking romper room in here.
Good morning, my Canadian brother. That's Brett. Not only are you my Canadian brother, my actual brother's on the stream right now as well. So I'm honored to have both my brothers here. You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
welcome,
so
boys.
Nice.
Welcome. All right, let's look at the market here. See where we may be going to today. All that great stuff for us here. I still feel like, right, that 25,000 wants to get broken. Like that, I may just be biased at this point, but I honestly feel like 25,000 wants to get broken. Maybe not today, maybe not tonight, but that 25,000 definitely wants to get broken.
Diarrhea runs the world. People think that Trump runs America, but truly.
Someone want to link the Discord? No Discord, Unk. In the description, I'll drop it in the chat here in a couple minutes. You can join the Legacy Wealth Society. That's our private trading community, completely free. Just make sure you click the founders group so you can get in for free, gentlemen. For the month of December, everyone that comes in December, lifetime guaranteed freeness. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving everything away right now. I want to see us all win.
Oh God, you sounded like a wrestler.
A wrestler.
Yeah.
But the link's in the description on the stream. So just check that out. Click it for the Legacy Well founders. I'll get you added during the stream. Brett's laughing at me. Listen, Brett. I don't got time for the shenanigans, all right? No shenanigans today. All right, we got 4 more minutes for market open here. Guess what? We're currently above the VWAP. So As we're above this VWAP, what do we look for first?
Oh, that would be bull flags.
We look for bull flags first. We did just have a bear flag print though above the VWAP.
Can you mute that one thing? It's really loud in my stuff.
Yeah, that's Mr. G here. I keep muting him and he unmutes. You know what I'm saying? Like,
it's kind of like going to like
the audacity.
A Metallica concert and blasting Mariah Carey to your fellow seat members, man.
For the guys on all the YouTube streams, is the audio good for you guys? Music's not too loud, everything like that? Let me know so I can get dialed in for you guys if something needs to be changed. We had that bear flag just print right there on the 2-minute chart.
Well, you asked what we're primarily looking for. You didn't ask what was printing. So there's that.
Yeah, no, 100%. Let me get some lines on the chart. You know what I'm saying? We got to wait the first 15 minutes of the 15-minute range for the opening range here. Not going to trade before that. It's perfect. Chan, you're the man. Chan, you're the man. Today, directly after the stream, we'll have the intermission. So at 11:30, we'll have the training for Legacy. Going to show you guys how to set up your Tradeovate platform for your trading, and after that, we're going to also show you how to read the Renko bars the way I read them. So there won't be any more questions, concerns, because I'm going to show you exactly what I'm looking for. And we're just going to keep moving after that. We did this same trading on last Friday, but I only recorded on Zoom. And when I went to the playback, it was horrible. It was horrible. So the quality, you could barely like see the screen, everything like that. I'm like, yeah, I can't put this in Legacy. You know what I'm saying?
No,
Legacy would look at me like, they would thank me, but they also be like, we can't see anything.
That's not your Legacy, man.
It's not Discord. It's not Discord. I use a different platform. But the link's in the chat. Link's in the description. Let me get the link and I'll post it for you as well. So that way I can help you out, sir. All right, market's getting ready to open. Market's getting ready to open. So be careful, gentlemen. For everyone's a wild person getting ready to trade this open. Caution. I'm not even going to look at the charts until, well, I'm going to be looking at the charts. Don't let me fool you. But I ain't going to be trading. So I'm going to be trying to do everything in my power not to really hyper focus on the Renkos, everything like that, because, you know, sometimes they make you want to jump in. Man, this is awesome. We got, right now, we got people across the board on these streams. Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
We are open.
Just posted that link in the description, well, in the chat. Now I'll pin it as well. All right, there we go. So, all righty. Let's see what we get here. Did everyone have a good morning so far?
Yep.
I can now woo-saw. I've finished everything, so now I can relax and just wait. We do have 9:45 news today, so keep that in mind.
$9:45 too?
Yeah, we have news at 9:45.
I must have missed that one.
I believe the news for 9:45 is the S&P Global. I'll pull up just to double check that, but pretty sure we got 9:45. Yep. Well, yep, 9:45 S&P Global Comp. So that's the next order of news that's coming out today. So we're going to see what happens. We're going to see what happens. No rushing.
No Russian. What about somebody from Alaska?
If someone's from Alaska, yeah, still no Russian. No Russian.
Okay, well, that's right. Because Ukrainians could come today, Russians could come tomorrow.
I did roll over for everyone that's tuning in here. I did roll over today.
He was sleeping in a tent and he rolled over in a sleeping bag.
I did. I rolled over. I'm like, you know what? Today's a great day to roll over to the other side of the bed. You know what I'm saying? Got to take it. Right now, looking like we may start building a bull flag. I said might be. You know what I'm saying? And I said might because it's only been 2 minutes.
Well,
Only been 2 minutes.
You're going to be like getting 9:45 and going right to news.
Yep. So I'm gonna hold probably till 9:46, 9:47, 9:48 time frame to start actively trying to get into the market.
I have to run out and get charcoal.
Moose Carmona, good morning. Good morning, gentlemen. Hopefully you're having a great Tuesday morning so far.
When you said that at the same time, Moose Carmona, that sounds like a gangster from like the mob in New York in 1992. Yo, I'm Moose Carmona.
You never know. You never know these days.
I'm a little bit more awake today.
What was that?
I'm a little bit more awake today.
We'll take it. We'll take it. Tell Alexa to get you an energy drink or your pre-workout.
Yeah, no, I went to bed at like 9:30 yesterday.
Jesus. Well, I didn't go to bed that early, but I feel you. I went to bed last night probably like around 1:30 because we had the Traders Hangout last night, which was the ultimate vibe. We were just laughing, we were joking around, we were talking about trading. And it was a good old time last night. This is not trying to load. Come on, you can do it, Betsy. There we go. Well, we're about hit 89,000 views for the past 28 days. We keep going up, boys. We keep going up here. Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
Nobody could take their view back. Oh, and I wanna say that sometimes I checked it because I am subscribed to your channel, but it was doing personalized notifications, so I didn't know that you posted day 3. So the moral of the story is I went in and I put all notifications so I could catch these things as they come. But that day 3 video is really cool because I finally got a picture of what that pool looks like that goes up to your room now.
Yeah.
And we were talking about it and it was like, what do you mean? But
yep. If you guys haven't already, check out the vlogs from Mexico. You guys will enjoy those. You know, I'm sorry to perfect it. I'm getting better each vlog I do.
Your flow is awesome. It's conversational, so you're really kicking there. You put in a wipe there, though. It was like something out of the 80s, where it was just like, it was like a weird, like, 3-window thing. I would like banish that to hell. But other than that,
well, now I know from the editor. You know what I'm saying? Nothing like getting advice from an actual editor. You know what I'm saying? When they tell you like, hey, it looks good, but.
No, but I mean the thing is like the flow of it is top tier now because it's none of like I hate when just people are just doing jump cuts for the sake of it.
Yeah.
It's lazy, it's ridiculous, and it's become the norm. Like, look at me, but no, tuck in your shirt. Make it right. Kick it ass.
Appreciate the constructive criticism because at the end of the day, I'm just trying to perfect this bad boy for all of us.
Yeah, the wipe got to go, but everything I haven't finished it to the end because I want to get ready, but for the session. But as I left you, you're like in the water and you're bobbing along, like pogoing down because you're tall enough.
Yeah, it was a good old time. It was a good old time in Mexico. Excited to go back in February. We got that bull flag right there, boys. Through the pivot point. But that's okay. You all know why it's okay? I just heard someone say, oh, Duane, why is it okay? Because the flags always repeat themselves. So we're above the VWAP. And I said, first thing that we're looking for, based on our strategy, we look for a bull flag. There's the bull flag that just paid if someone took that. I'm waiting until 9:45. So
Sorry, I was gone for a second because I heard there's a raccoon out, and I was gonna see if I could get a shot in, but it was seriously.
good morning, Dre. You said a potential rally. You did say that last night. You did. We'll see how hard they want to rally. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm just saying we came too close yesterday to 25,000.
BP was in the house somewhere. His house, anyway. I don't know if he's in our house.
So, I don't know. I'm just like, since we were so close to that breaking that 25,000 yesterday, we were 25,033. 33 points away. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, that's what has me like slightly hesitant. I'm not even gonna lie. Look at that 5-minute candle. Patience, people, patience.
Like the raccoon, like it ran into somebody's yard, but I know them, so I'm gonna ask if I could set up a hunting stand back there because they're against the woods. Boom.
There's no rush. We have news at 9:45, gentlemen and ladies. Let's just be cautious because there's no reason to just jump in. When you jump in, that's when you lose money. Just saying. I've done it plenty of times where I can tell you with confidence, if you jump in just to jump in, you're risking it. You're risking it. Wait for the setup.
5 minutes to the next news, and then Duane will tell you which way to go.
Well, we're going to let the market tell us which way we're going because we're going to go with the wave, not against it today.
I did like in that thing, and I won't talk about it too much, where you walked up to the original entrance of the cave and you're ready to open that glass floor and we'll climb down.
Wait, what?
and X-Correct, the original park, the original.
Oh, yeah.
Cave.
Yeah, when we were walking through, I remember.
But you were like, you wanted to go down there like a fire pole.
Yeah, but they wouldn't let me. It was crazy. It was straight craziness. All right. 5 more minutes for the news for the S&P Global Comp. So
how cold is that water? Because everybody's like kind of waiting to get in. Nobody's like cannonballing in right off the bat.
The water, I would probably say was in the 60s. I would say low 60s for the water. But once you're in it, your body adjusts to it. It's just that first initial getting in, oof.
Look, that's what we tell our kids to get them in, but how was it really?
No, it was actually really refreshing.
I bet. Refreshing is one word for it.
The question regarding.
Let's drop it down. This one, see what we got in the 1 minute. Who's up? Who's taking a trade so far in the chats? Who's taking a trade yet? You don't have to say if you're green or red. You could just say me.
Order filled.
Well, a lot of people I know, they got patience. You know what I'm saying? They got patience and they're waiting. They're waiting for the move.
Right now, they're waiting for the move.
Look at that.
No, I took a trade on my sim, and I at 245 just to jump in, jump out, no latency, so that was good. Now if it just remembers that when I actually trade, that would be nice.
From your lips to the market god's ears.
Yeah, it's like I'm looking, and it's like, okay, I see it, entry point. It's like 1,000, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. I'm gonna click. I'm gonna stop it. You're in.
check something real quick while we're still waiting. We got 3 more minutes, fellas. 3 more minutes for the party time.
3 more
And
minutes
you all
in the
know
news.
I like to party.
Well, you said 3 more minutes in the news, so you gotta tell them that too.
There is news in 3 minutes, but after 9:45, that's when we get active. That's when we have some fun.
He's on it, ladies and gentlemen.
Bears stepping in. Bears are stepping in here. Welcome to the stream for all the new people in here. Appreciate you guys tuning in and hanging out with us to make some money today. That's the goal for all of us, just to make a couple dollars. So hopefully you stay safe in the markets today and enjoy the vibe. Enjoy the vibe. So we just had a bear flag print on the 1 minute, a small bear flag. Let me jump over to the 2 minute here.
The 2 men just doing its thing, like bear flag, no bear flag, bear flag, no bear flag.
Well, we got 40 seconds left on this 2 minute candle. Not a big range today so far for the day. It's a decent range, but nothing too crazy for us. All right, remember, news coming out. News coming out at 9:45 here. We got less than a minute for news to drop. Less than a minute for news here. So don't do anything too crazy today.
Well, that's not what you told me earlier.
I'm pretty sure I said be careful. Pretty sure I said be careful, Steve.
No, that's what you were saying in the video when your kids were jumping in that pool. Oh, you told your son, I don't think they'll let us swim through the trees or whatever, like in that one big pool.
Yeah. Oh, where'd my trading view go? There it goes. All right, here comes the news. There's the news.
Whoa, there it is.
Wasn't too crazy, actually. Had the Rinkos moving a little bit for a second there, but that was about it. We got looking like a lot of selling pressure. A lot of selling pressure right now. We are below the VWAP. We are below the VWAP currently.
Just below it. So you have 243.40, right? Somewhere in that range for the minute?
Yep, 243.25 on mine. So we're in the ballpark, so we'll take it. We do have a pivot point below us, 181.75, 181.75.
I have one at 200.33, which is weird.
All right, we just broke out the 15-minute range right there. We just broke out. Let's see, back into the 15. Whenever we do that first initial breakout of the range, we always go back into it. So
94.
Moose made 594. He's a trading machine today. I'm just patiently waiting.
Away. Well, 400.
Good job, Dr. Moose.
Thank you.
Legacy over here just winning. Love it. Love it. Right back up to that VWAP.
Good morning, guys.
Mr. Nelson, good morning, sir.
How you guys doing?
Another day in paradise, brother. How you feeling today?
Pretty good. I got a question. It's not $45 no more. It's like $97 for the product firms, though.
For TradeFi, yeah, they upped their prices because they got rid of the advanced account. So now with the new select account that they have, you could do either daily payouts or trade it like the old accounts at the end of the day. Just with a higher payout on it. But I am looking at another prop firm as well. So
I heard it yesterday. You was looking at it, Lucid.
Yeah. Man, look at that push right up to this pivot point above us. Straight craziness right there. All right. Well, with that series pop up like that, now I'm definitely waiting.
What do you got for the pivot point above us?
Pivot point above us, we just went through it. Pivot point is at 330. 330 even for that pivot point above us here.
Yeah, I don't any of those on mine. That's weird. Probably because I just switched over to the new chart, so it's not popping.
Possibly.
But I don't know. You know what I mean? It's just like it's weird. It's like you're reading off things that aren't on my chart.
Yeah. So we're currently below that pivot. Well, yeah, we're dancing. Alrighty. We're pushing slightly. We're above the pivot point right now. Want to see us build like maybe like a nice bull flag above the pivot. I like it. A flag. Because the flags pay the bills at the end of the day.
Oh, so the profit target is 2,500 now.
Yeah, and I believe in the actual funded, there is no profit target, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see, we build out a bull flag here.
And if you still have the old style, you can keep it going. They can't kick you out of it.
Yeah, so if you still have the advanced accounts, don't cancel the subscription because those are still active. Once you cancel them, they're gone.
But it's nothing big major changes, right?
No.
Just double the money for the same thing, roughly. Good for them.
Look at how the sellers just stepped in right there.
I see that.
That was a big rejection right there. Because the bulls were trying to push. The bears said right in, drop that price. Let's see who's going to win here. Woo! What is going on? Jesus. Like, see, movement like this, I'm not for. I'm not big on this type of movement. This is all right. Come up to that high. 386.50. On this one that we had a small little bull flag, but that pop was crazy. We broke out of the 15-minute range here to the high side. First target I have on my chart, all the way up there at 420.75. Well, actually 421 even. 421 even for the first target above the 15-minute range here. But it's just moving very sporadic, I would say. So be careful, people. Be
So
careful.
the 1 minute finally printed a bull flag. Of course, the 2 minutes thinking about it for whatever that's for. 15 seconds in.
I'm just not very trusting of the market right now. To be real with
Yeah,
you guys.
it's kind of Chopville.
Well, we're right above the 15. We slightly, there we go, right back into it there. Waited an extra second before I started talking to see. Back into the 15-minute range.
Well, here's he talking, so it's like, okay, he's gonna say. That
Yep, the market makers are watching our stream. They are watching the stream. Doing some consolidating right here.
Let's see your doodles, okay. There's like a horizontal line, like 365 is like a real path of resistance right there.
Yeah.
If you look at the 2 minute.
All right, just lost that pivot point right there. Now we're back above.
And my chart is like that girl that draws in her eyebrows. I have my drawn in pivot point.
Sorry to hear, Dre. Sorry to hear. RIP to that account, sir. When you see the profits, lock the profits in, boys. Just lock it in. If you're green, lock some of it in.
I still stand by my drawn in eyebrow comment. Just so you know.
So right now we're above this pivot, but below the 15-minute range high. So, and as I say that, we start pushing. So, gotta love it.
Just say low side, low side, low side 3 times and let me know, and I'll take a long, and then I'll just be done for the day. Thank you.
This is looking, we got a bull flag on the 1 minute and the 2 minute.
Yes. And it starts chopping like crazy as soon as you say that.
Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
Duane is identifying a flag. Let's show him what it means. It's like a trainer module. Like, okay, hit the Q button. That'll screw it up.
Like I want to go long, right? I want to go long, but
yeah,
we are chopping a little bit.
Well, and like you said, you know what we want is kind of inconsequential to what it's doing, because that's where pride comes before that fall. Come on, Basie. Come on.
Well, luckily, Dre, we live to fight another day, dude. That lagged tremendously right there. Jesus. I'm about to close. There's a huge delay.
I'm waiting for it to leave this neighborhood because it's right at that 65 levels where it's fucking bouncing around, and then we're also 3 minutes and a little bit of time until 10 o'clock.
All right, just locked in 490 right there on that trade. I did not get the original fill that I wanted. It lagged for a second there. But 490 in one of the funded accounts. We're simply just going to rotate to the next funded, and we keep the trade moving, people. That's all we're doing here. Nothing crazy. Locking in profits, and that's it. Base hits, people. Base hits.
2 minutes till 10 o'clock.
Yep, and I'll take a trade after 10 o'clock because there's no reason to be in a trade at 10 o'clock. Trust me. Dre, that's the best way to do it. As soon as you see it, lock it in. That's all we got to do. Lock in the profits. I did not like how we got filled, though. I will say that. Do not like how we got filled. So, I'm going to have to keep that in mind on the next entry.
Yeah, there was one that I did that waited till it rebounded, and I tried to close it, so it kind of burnt me a little bit, but...
Yeah. And we're still pumping here. That's okay. Not mad about it. Because 10 o'clock's getting ready to hit, and I don't want to be in the markets for it. So, I'll gladly take my 490, rotate to another account, and keep it moving. Here comes 10 o'clock, less than a minute here before 10. And guys, remember, at 9:45, 10 o'clock, and 11, the market moves kind of weird sometimes. So it's better just to not even be open with the open trade at those times just to protect your account.
Order
You-
filled.
No order filled. No order filled. All right, here comes 10 o'clock here. Like that whole little up, like I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. We did hit that whole number. We crossed through the 400s there.
Yep.
Is this going to be the Santa Claus rally that us traders talk about? The Santa Claus rally before Christmas.
What you feeling right now?
Honestly, I'm not feeling anything. I'm just waiting for flags with momentum.
I'm waiting for my man G to come out and say like 1100 or something like that.
Shit, man. I could have made almost $2,000, but for some reason Top Step is acting up. They sending a notice to everyone and shit. So
That's annoying.
yeah,
That's annoying.
like it's bugging out. Like literally. Like I'm trying to close a trade. I'm like, why can't I close it? And then like the chart is like freezing up. You can't. It's not even updated or anything. But they're aware of it. They sent the notice. So when you go on the site, so hopefully they fix that.
I'm sorry to hear that, my friend.
Oh no,
Andre said he's losing faith in Top Step.
for real, boy. See, Andre know what I'm talking about.
See, Dre and G are like they're giving me the education I need to stay away from that place.
For real, man. Well, shit, I did get a take profit, so
Okay.
You know, I have that and the trader file, so I got two of them that I can mess with today. So
Nice. And just so everyone knows, your boy was wrong about something. And I'm going to admit it on this stream to you guys. You know what I'm saying? I was wrong, gentlemen. I was completely wrong. And it was because of my, not ignorance. It was because I didn't read the fine print. So all this time I've been talking about Take Profit Trader, right? How I have funded accounts with them. And how I wasn't really recommending them because you had 5 days to trade. Fellas, all this time I thought after the 5 days, if you didn't pass, like you had to restart. That's not the case. My good brother Brett in the chat put me on. He helped me. We were talking about for a traders hangout. So the minimum for the eval, you had to trade for 5 days. The minimum. In my head, I thought it was the max. So that's why I was never recommending them. But with Take Profit Trader, you do have daily payouts. No consistency or anything like that in the funded account. You just have to be over the $2,100 buffer, and anything above that buffer, you can take payouts on. So I apologize for being wrong, family and friends, and YouTube. But
okay, we're going back to that.
Yeah, we're falling. We're falling. Coming right down to the 21 EMA. Almost came down to it.
Oh, and it just shot up too a little bit. Like, this is the scary volatility that
This is volatility where you want to size down a little bit.
Right. Let me size down to 5. I just went to 10. Let me stop.
Jesus, Ted. Right, I do like Take Profit Trader. And now knowing that we have more time than just the 5 days, I'm definitely going to start trading with them more.
Well, hey, Duane, just a suggestion. Why don't you open up like a account with like all these things that people talk about? Like you didn't like the one that your brother did because of their kind of weird rule, but
yeah, funding ticks.
Why don't you just try them? Because then you could at least kick the tires and say, hey, this is good, and they could like review them for content.
Yeah.
Like, on YouTube, but you could also review them for us and just say, this is what I like, this is what I don't like, and then whatever.
I can definitely do that. I like that idea, Steve. I like that.
Idea. Don't give me that shit.
I'm gonna start reviewing all these prop firms and letting y'all know which ones are the best, which ones you should stay away from.
And then you could do a master video show, like comparing like 10 of them, and then have that out, and that's gonna like everybody's gonna gravitate to that. It's gonna like drive people to the channel.
You see, Steve, that's why I love you, Steve. You come up with the best ideas. You know what I'm saying? It's because of your video background. You just know what would make it pop.
That's it.
Guys, check that 2 minute.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 2 minute.
What do y'all see? It just needs to form.
We may be getting a bear flag right here, fellas. We may be getting a bear flag.
We just need a bear flag.
Come on and form.
Just want to see the momentum we do have. We do have the 21 EMA directly on the bottom of this current candle on the 2 minute chart.
And it's also dancing right on top of the 15.
Brett, we rolled over this morning, just so you know. So if your numbers aren't matching with ours, it's because you did not roll over yet.
Wait, roll over to what? To January?
326.
March.
Oh, March. Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
All righty. We're getting some momentum to the downside here. But I need more. I want it coming closer and closer to the yellow line. Tonight, Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We're going to be vibing up. We're going to be having fun once again.
It's hanging at the current open, man. It doesn't want to break that.
Well, it's going to need to do something. It's going to need to do something for us here. I wanted the bear flag, but let me get another line here. So if we drop below the yellow line, definitely take a short. This is not financial advice. This is entertainment purposes only.
Is this what you would call a retesting?
Yes, that's why I put this line, but we didn't get an actual bear flag right there. On the 5 minute, we're getting a bull flag. Bull flag, I meant. On the 5 minute, we're getting a bull flag.
And And on the 2 minute.
On the 1 minute, if I had the 1 minute pulled up, I would have been able to call it out as well. We got a bull flag on the 1 minute as well. So right now, bull flags on the 1 minute and the 5 minute trying to form and push.
I got a 1 minute and a 3 minute, and the 3 minutes trying to push a bull flag.
Okay. Yep. The 5 and the 1 on mine are pushing as well.
On my 14 minute.
Man, listen, the market it's on the uptrend right now. So it's gonna listen. I know. Listen, it's gonna touch that that's that 409, 25.409. Watch.
I'm watching.
Well, we got the target above that 409 level sitting at 420.75. 420.75. First target above the 15-minute range here.
What's weird is on mine it showed 434. This is so strange. I don't want to drive on 434.
No. The first target. First target.
That's the first target is it says 422 for me.
Well, yeah, I'm saying 434 on mine, so mine's being wackadoo.
No, that's the pivot point. It says it on mine too. That's the pivot point when it goes over when it gets to the 400. Because I'm pretty sure right now we about to touch that other.
That we are, Dre. That we are. The targets that I'm calling out, those are the targets after the opening range break. Back to the 15-minute range. So we're chopping right now.
Mm-hmm.
We're chopping.
Give me that top and pop.
I want to get below the 21 EMA. Below the 21 EMA. And right here, I don't know, boys. Looking at that 2 minute. Let's get below the 21 EMA.
Yeah, I know. It's looking a little bearish.
I don't think it knows what it wants to do.
And that's the issue. That's the issue. It's like when you ask your wife and girlfriends, what do you want for dinner? And they never got an answer. And then they'll be like, oh, you pick. Then you say something. They're like, no, not that. You know.
Okay, I don't know. What do you want to eat? Mexican? Nah. Italian? Nah. You want
All right, we're below. Oh, I was going to say we're below the 21 EMA, but we popped right above it. Back below it here. Breaking through my yellow line.
Bounce. Going up.
I don't like it. It's like it's got a channel, man.
I feel like it's going up.
Come on, Betsy. Go ahead. Put me in the green.
Yes, sir. Oh.
Well, I was in the green for a second there.
Oh, wait.
Oh! I closed. It, right when it popped up, I closed in the green. That's crazy. That's craziness.
It's volatile like crazy. It's like as soon as I saw that too.
I was green, I closed it, and as soon as I it popped it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
Day of life for trading.
Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Be careful, boys. Be careful. We're right above this pivot point right now.
And the EMA is right there too, so it's
Yep.
kind of doubling up.
It wants to push, man. Push. And at that box, it's damn near at the bottom. But it already went down and up, and now it's coming back down again.
Yeah, we got that long wick there. We got that long wick.
I know.
But man.
Ooh. On that 5 minutes, so we don't know which way we want to go.
On the 1 minute, it's looking like a bear flag.
Yes, it is. Oh, it's about to sell. Oh. Why does it do that? Why do you do that to me?
Why you do that to me?
Just a little timid, Kevin.
Just come on, drop it like it's hot. Go
Just
through-
drop. Come on, look at that wick, man. Go down.
It's
there.
playing, man. It's playing.
I'm playing with.
It's because that EMA is holding it tight.
It's gonna go up, and after that, it's gonna drop even lower.
I'll take your word.
That's the voice of God, I think. That's the voice of God. Do you hear how there's no...
The voice of God.
Hey, let it keep going up. I got my hand right on that trigger.
This
There
is
was- there-
this is not advice. This is just suggestion.
This is not advice. This is
That's
not
definitely
advice.
God right there. That is definitely God when it said that.
Shit. At least you gotta go, man. Come down from my boy Duane.
I know, right? Come on, Marky.
Come on, come on down. Come on down, man. Let's get to the 15s, man. Ooh, wait. Look like it's about to get there. Oh, come on. Let me see that big dip. Oh, yeah, that 5 minute, man. This sand, man. Oof. I think it may go to the
Show
low
me some
two-
green, baby. Show me some green.
Look, it may go to the low 200. Ooh, let's go. Come on. Come on, really?
Nothing. Come on, really? That's awesome. Bouncing once again there.
In that area again. It's been doing it the last other area. But it got to do something. I think it's going. I don't know, man. I don't want it to.
Look at how tight that candle is on the 5 minute. It's insane.
know.
I'm getting ready to kill this one.
Ooh, what?
If we don't come down how I want, I'm just going to kill it.
The one, man, all those candles are stopping in like the 12 area and just like immediately.
Come on, keep going.
Oh, I don't like that. This movement today. This movement.
Yeah, that movement. As soon as them sellers about to push us down, them buyers come. Man, who's controlling the market, man? Grab him in the neck. Like, yo, man.
We should pop through right here. I want a nice swipe.
Let go.
All right, just closed out 300. So I cleaned up that 150. Put 150 in this account. It's sporadic today. So be careful, people. Be careful.
Should we check on the 12 just to go back and see if that's a little better since you're kind of between the two, or no?
Say that again?
You know, roll back over to the...
No. I won't roll back over at this point. Let me rotate, put 150 bucks in that account, and we keep it moving. And look, after I got out everything like that and rotating, we're coming down to the middle of this 15-minute range.
We don't do something in the middle.
We don't diddle in the middle.
Thank you, fellas. We do not diddle in the middle. Do not get chopped up. Be sized down today with how the market's moving. Alrighty, middle of the 15-minute range is currently sitting at 280 even. That's the middle of the 15-minute range. We have the VWAP below us. It is currently at 270 for the VWAP. With that being said, I want to see how we react when we come down to that VWAP. That's just me. I want to see how we react.
See how it's reacting now. Oh my God. The view up, that's at that 570, right?
270.
Correction, my bad. Ooh. If it touches, boy.
Dre, it happens to all of us, dude.
Ooh.
We just gotta be patient.
Them bear flags are showing little by little.
You know? And what, Carmona, ever since once you learn them, you can't unsee them.
Yeah, I set up. I got 3 charts: a 1 second, 1 minute, and a 3 minute, and they're showing up in all 3 of them.
Okay, you have a 1 second chart.
I got that's my wrinkle chart.
Okay. No, I was just confirming. I'm like a 1 second standard candle. I'm like, that's going to be looking crazy.
Yeah, man.
He's operating on another plane.
All right, we're coming down to this middle. The VWAP is currently up. There we go. There's the VWAP. We tapped the VWAP.
Tapped it. It's gonna.
All righty. You know what I'm saying? We get active today.
All of a sudden, he like Dwayne's turning into Macho Man. Oh yeah, Hulk Hogan, I'm gonna.
VWAP's holding us currently, but I want to see a flag on the higher time frames now. But this is why I took that other trade, the original one, for the short, because we popped through the yellow line. It was just chopping. It was chopping way too much, where if I would have stayed in, yes, I would have made more money right now, but I'd rather just lock in profits and keep it moving.
I did the same thing.
For everyone on the YouTube stream,
we don't diddle in the
appreciate you guys.
We don't diddle in the middle.
We do not diddle, gentlemen. We're currently up. I'm trying to live by my saying $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. I just need at this point like 400 and some change.
I thought it was 500.
What? $500 keeps the bills away?
That doesn't have the same ring to.
It doesn't have the same ring. Listen, $500 a day will keep the bills away, 100%. But it just sounds a little bit better when I say $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, man. All right, so let's see what.
I'm thinking, boys. I may just drop this in one contract today, and we keep it moving because the way it's been moving. You know, I'm like, I'm not overly excited for it. All right, we're through that VWAP, clearing that previous wick.
Like a magnet.
Yeah, see, the VWAP is acting like a magnet.
Once we push away from the VWAP, I feel like we're going to go down and test the lows of this 15-minute range. Because on this 2 minute, we had a small little bear flag print right there. Let's look at the one. Had a small bear flag right there.
I don't see no flag printed at all. Just straight candle, the wicks on these candles.
I do not like the bottom candles, though. Gentlemen, what do the bottom wicks mean on the candles?
Buying pressure.
Buying pressure.
Yes, sir. Buyers are trying to step in.
Buyers are trying to step in. Look, hey, but look, and listen. Steve, look, it's right under the box. What did it say? What is it gonna do?
It's gonna rebound. Let me look at the box.
Right back up.
So reminder, 11:30 Eastern time AM for Legacy. We're having our training. 11:30 Eastern.
Yeah, because I got intel on that raccoon, so if I could take an upwind route, I'll see if I could go trunk.
Okay.
In between that VWAP, boy, it's like a magnet.
Yep, not touching. We got these wicks. There's no reason, right? There's no reason to be going short when we have these big bottom wicks.
Boy, I feel like
Why go short when buyers are stepping in? We gotta wait for the momentum. If you're trying to go short, you want the momentum to the downside with no wicks on the bottom of the candles. We gotta play it smart. We gotta be smart with how we trade.
I'm gonna see what this next 5-minute candle gonna print out.
I feel like we're going to test the lows of this 15-minute range, but we're just slow getting down here. At this point, I want to see like a bear flag. I'm
Real
being
solid
choosy
drop
today.
in print.
You know what I'm saying? I need some type of flag. I want some type of flag. Because we keep getting these bottom wicks, and I don't like that. The further away we get from the VWAP, the better for us. Because as it sits, we do have a pivot point to the low side, 180, 150. But we got to break through this 209 level. That's the bottom of the 15-minute range, 209.75. That's the low of the 15-minute range here. So once we break that, I'll target that pivot point. I'm just not trying to just jump in right now in the chop just to say I took a trade. You know what I'm saying? Thankfully, I've been growing as a person and as a trader with you guys, you know, where now I don't feel obligated just to put a trade on because I'm on stream. Where now I'm just like, listen, we're waiting. Patience.
Nelly, you dropped him.
Let's see if we. I want a flag. Golly. All right, let's see if we build a small flag right here.
Well, at least for that 2-minute candle close, there's only a slight wick underneath. It wasn't as aggressive, so it's closing to the low side of the candle.
I put the line on the chart, so since the line's on the chart, we should push up off of it. Purposely trying to make the market go up before we continue down.
And making, Duane's giving the whole market some support.
I hold the market by myself, you know what I'm saying, with one yellow line at a time. Like I said, I saw us coming down to these lows, but it's just not, we don't have speed getting down here. All right. Coming up, we're coming closer and closer to that 209 level. Low for the current session, 205.25. 205.25. All right. There we go.
Whole number.
We're coming on down. Yep. Let's pop into... man.
Tickling that whole number.
All right, back in the 15-minute range. There we go.
15-minute range.
Now let's see if we start to push out now. Watch my Renko bars like a hawk.
I do have a pivot point at 200.33 on mine.
Yeah, on Ninja, I got the same. I do not have that on my trading view. Come on, you're like right there. It wants to give it. It wants to give it to me.
I'm just thinking about it. One-minute candle is about to close.
Close at 250. Got 150 bucks on that. We tapped that pivot point that I called out 181 on my trading view. And we're just rotating. We're just rotating. Yeah, I'm like slightly holding. I'm like, I want to put another trade on right now as we lose this. Let me just switch to the next funded account. Let's see if now we actually
Seems
build a
like
bear
it's pulling
flag.
on the 1 second bar.
What was that, Jose?
Seems like it's starting to bull.
Yep, for bear flags, we gotta push up before we keep coming down. Want to see a flag. On the 1 minute, we may be trying to build a bear flag, but let's see what we get. There is no rush to this, people. No rush. All right, back into the 15-minute range for right now.
15 minutes strange.
Woody,
Yeah.
well, sorry that happened to you, but your boy told you you need to be trading, you need to perfect everything before you trade the eval, dude. Like, there's a method to my madness, people. There's a method to my madness. The method in my madness is to save you guys money. I don't want you guys just blowing evals trying to learn how to trade. I'd rather you get the eval, you sit on it, and you use it to get the live data feed. Since you paid for the eval, you get live data feed. Where if you don't have the eval, you got to come out of pocket for the live data feed. Why pay for the live data if you could get the eval? And that's why I use Ninja, because you can have a sim account with the live data feed that you get from your eval, and you can practice and you can learn without spending more money. And I always recommend trading on the sim first, live data, before trading the eval. So that way you don't burn that eval right away. Could it happen? It happens to all of us. We all burn eval, 100%. But we're trying to do this long term. We're trying to succeed. We want to make money. And the only way for you guys to learn at the end of the day is to burn evals at some points. But also, you guys, we rush it. We rush the process. You know what I'm saying? You can make so much money trading that in our heads, we psychologically rush it because we know how much we can earn. So don't rush. I still got funded. Well, thank God you got funded, but let's not burn any more evals. Let's hone the craft. Be careful in your funded account. Just don't want to see you guys just burning a lot of evals without getting payouts. You know what I'm saying? That's all. That's all. Just waiting for another move to trade this funded account. If there will be one. As Moose would say, we're the retracement. We just retrace that move down there. We're at the middle of the 15-minute range. I'm still pushing. Let's see if we build a bull flag here, because if we build a bull flag, I'm going long. We pushed through that 21 EMA there slightly, came right back down to the middle of the 15-minute range. So I'm gonna sit on my hands for right now.
We're gonna don't diddle in the middle.
Yeah, not diddling in the middle. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna be patient.
Look at that. If you took a picture of Duane and put it in the dictionary under patience, people would reference that forever.
All right. Went straight down to that VWAP, tapped it and pushed right back up pretty much instantly.
Man, I smell a little bull flag coming on that 2 minute.
I'm looking at the 2, looking at the 1 as well. I'm just sitting here, you know what I'm saying? I'm just sitting here because it's either we're going to push strong or the bears may try stepping in because we got that wick on that 5-minute candle there that I'm not liking. Looking like a reversal.
The bull flag is, yeah, man. It's looking like it on that 2 minute. Come on, let's go.
We're below the middle of the 15-minute range as well, so I'm not diddling. I'm not diddling. Y'all do what y'all want, but I ain't diddling in the middle.
Me neither. I'll wait. I'll wait till it gets to that 25,300. And then, once it breaks that, is that a safe entry? Once it breaks that 25,300, Duane, what'd you say?
25.3?
Yeah. On a safer end.
Yeah.
All right.
Because that still will give you tons of moves up because we got that pivot point up there at the 330. We're below the VWAP. We are currently below that VWAP. I see a potential bull flag on the 2 minute like G was calling out. I had one printing on the 1 minute. But we need more momentum. We got these wicks on top of these candles, letting us know that sellers are trying to step in. I'm not trying to jump in front of the wave. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've got burned enough times.
Oh, we don't diddle in the middle. We don't diddle in the middle.
Middle.
Come on, let's go past it, man. Break through it. Come on, let's go. Break. Get away from that middle. Yes, keep going up, please. Yes.
TMA in the middle.
I want to clear the 289.50. 289.50. That's a previous candle wick where there was selling pressure.
Then it goes right back. Right back in it.
Yeah, I think we're about to drop. Looking at this, potentially on the 2 minute, we got the pull. We are looking for the bear flag or bull flag, but
bull flag, yeah, but it's not doing that. It's not.
We got a lot of selling pressure, and we got the pull, the slight push, and we're below the VWAP as well.
They pushing it down. What is going on?
Look at the 5 minute. It's kind of backing that up.
Oh, wrong account. Two, well, that's weird.
That's strange.
No, I tried trading one of my funded accounts, but it's saying I haven't traded in a couple days, and I got more than enough in there, so I'm gonna have to submit a ticket on that one. Let me switch over to this eval account because we're coming up on 1040 people. And we're going to try to finish passing this one because it's like, how much do I need left in this one? Less than $1,500. So might as well. Am I getting ready to pass this one right here?
530 right there.
Well,
Let's
good
go.
job, G. Trading machines I'm creating.
Machines of
I
trading.
should have stayed. Should have stayed.
Look, you locked it in, right? You jive turkey.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Push up 490 right there.
All right. We'll switch on to the
7.
next account.
Next one. Come on. Come on.
Chan, what do you mean 7? What's 7? We popped out of the 15-minute range. Right back into it here, so we're going to have to see what we get.
One minute showing the start of a bull flag, or bear flag, excuse me.
On to the next account.
Look at that. Look at the wick. Look at that bottom wick. Buyer's trying to step in right here.
I know.
What
I'm not.
They stepping in, boy. Woo!
Look at gold.
That buying pressure. Ooh, they gonna shoot it back up.
As soon as I click the button, instant rejection.
That's trading for your ass. Ain't that some shit?
Oh, 100%. That's hilarious.
Listen, I'm looking. I see the momentum.
I'm about to get stopped out here. This is a growth account, so they stop you out automatically. So
Are you in a trade? Oh wow.
I am in a trade. This is an eval. This is an eval. I'm not trading my fundeds. I'm done trading fundeds for the day. So if I get stopped out here, I get stopped out. Looking for these bulls to give us some type of push here. Some type of push.
I see why you joined in, because I saw that momentum. It was about to push up.
And then the Bears caught it. The Bears caught the momentum.
Man. This is crazy. If it breaks that 197, I think we should go for a little sell. A little quick sell.
Come on, Betsy. Take me all the way to the promised land. I know you want to. I know you want to, girl. I gotta talk to the market like G talks to the market. You know what I'm saying? When you talk nice to the market, you know what I'm saying? She sometimes listens.
Market help my boy Duane get back to his money.
Money.
At least back to my entry, at least. You know what I'm saying? So I could get out of this.
So Duane, you say with take profit, we just have to trade for minimum 5 days?
Yeah, minimum. So you can't pass the account before the 5 days. So you have to trade it for at least 5 days minimum, but you have as much time as you need to actually pass it. So I'm actually stopped out here. It just hasn't closed on the Ninja Trader yet, but Tradify system would stop me out.
That 200, man. I want you to get to that 197. Probably jump in. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Come on. Oh, man. You come on, 197. Come on. As soon as you I see you, I'm clicking. You know what? I'll wait. Potential bear
Yeah,
flag.
just wait, boys.
Nah,
Just wait.
Potential bear flag should be forming within the next, I'm looking at it right now. On that 2 minute.
Yeah. I'm looking at the 2 minute as well.
It's going to go up a little bit. And then hopefully that next candle. You don't see how it's repeating itself with the candle ahead of it too? It's kind of like doing on the 2 minute. 1, 2, 3. Yep, I'm telling you, it's gonna keep form, bear flag, form. I see you want to form. That's all I need you to do. Just walk. Just walk. Let's go. All right. You still in that trade ring?
I guess I'm waiting here. I'm waiting.
What? No way.
I'm slightly tempted to cut it, but if I cut it, right, I feel like we're gonna push up here. I feel like we're getting ready to push up, but
I think so too. I think so too. You got we'll see what this next 5-minute candle forms up. We got like 30-some seconds left. Oh, Duane, you in the green? Oh, that's good, Duane. That's good. Well, that's good, man. Take your money, man.
get ready to lock it in. Give it another second or two. Close. Just close. Just close.
Damn. That was your funded too? No, that was your
No, that was the eval. That was the eval. That's why I let it ride a little bit longer because I'm like, it's an eval. Let me see what that actually puts me on for that eval to see how much more I need for that one to be fully passed here. I need less than $500. Less than $500. So that's what we're going to work on right here. We're going to work on that 500. Back to the middle of the 15-minute range.
we don't diddle in the middle.
Right? I was doing it for you, dude. I'm like, Brett's on the stream, so I got to hold this trade. He cannot see me take a losing trade today. I got to hold. I don't care how far in drawdown I go.
Listen,
I got to hold for Brett.
You held long enough, and look.
You go too damn long, man. That's too much.
I literally thought he was out, and I looked. I said, Duane, you're still.
Well, Tradeify did not cut the trade. So normally they cut the trade because they have a $1,200 soft breach, right? So it could sometimes go a little bit past the $1,200, but they normally cut around like the $1,200 to $1,400 range on the growth account. So they didn't. So I'm like, okay, they didn't cut it. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to see what we get. Literally sitting up here at the middle of this 15-minute range. We are above the VWAP. So clear that previous wick up here as well. I feel that one. I do feel that one, G.
I want to get in like on a quick like a buy, but I just didn't trust it.
Well, it's just bouncing like a.
See, up, down, up. Like, no, I didn't too much. I could have made something, but see, look at that big drop. I wasn't ready for that yet. Or maybe that could be my re-entry. I don't know.
Well, I could build a flag. Is Duane says he'd prefer a flag, but he's already in another trade.
Yeah, I'm already in another trade, but it got instantly rejected once again. Again, boys. Like the market makers are watching the stream. I'm telling you, they're watching.
Oh, Duane, I was literally gonna jump. I said, you know what? I was like, man, I stopped. Look at that wick.
I do see the wick. Don't remind me.
They are pushing it. Them sellers keeping the price down. They're pushing it down, man. Damn. Well, I saw that wick. That's why I didn't jump in.
Well, the wick happened right after I entered. So that wick started right after I jumped in.
I saw that wick. I said, oh, them sellers pushing it this down. Them sellers are pushing it down.
We should be good. Let's see if we start pushing
Yeah,
here.
you know. Let's see it break above that top wick too.
Take me to the promised land, baby.
Oh,
Let's go.
Oh.
All the way. Come on. I know you want to go up.
You're in again?
Oh.
Damn.
No, I never closed, Steve. I didn't re-enter. I'm still in the same trade.
You're giving me anxiety.
He said you're giving me anxiety. Yo,
Every time I look, he's like in a trade. It's like an acid trip. I don't know what's going on.
The acid trip.
Okay, here we go.
I'm expecting a push up. Here. Let's see if we actually get it. It keeps stalling out right where I wanted to push straight through.
Well, I have my doodles there. Do you want me to like remove them for you?
If you could, Steve, that would be great.
Okay, here we go. You listen to the click. Okay, that was a click. So I'm moving it to the bottom. I'm making another one for support.
Don't diddle in the middle. It's in the middle of the 15 minutes. Oh.
This should. Let's see if we pop it up. Let's see if we pop it up here.
Hey, go the other way. Go up. Don't go down. Go the other way.
It's looking at that VWAP and licking its lips.
All right, just tap the VWAP. Is the VWAP going to hold us? VWAP did not hold us. VWAP did not hold us. All right, I got stopped out at 1280. Stopped out at 1280. Slightly annoyed. I took a stab at it and I lost, boys. It happens. It happens. But it was only on eval. I'll do some more reckless things with evals than I do with funders. I'll tell you that.
Oh no, that's why truer words are never been spoken, Batman. My God, some of those things you do.
But with that drop like that,
The 1 minute's already setting up for another bear flag. For what that's worth. The 5 minute could just be a ginormous bear flag if you chose to look at it that way.
one just got too many wicks. The stream will be ending right at 11 o'clock today. So that way we can all take a quick little break for the legacy before we jump on for the training at 11:30.
And there's a big asterisk. Like if it's making a big move, we're just going to keep on trucking.
Now, if it's making a big move, we may wait, but we'll... we may wait. We may wait.
And if I don't have any intel on the raccoon, I'll watch the rest of that one video because
Come on to win it.
That that underwater river thing you were on was pretty cool.
Yeah, it was a long swim too. It was at least a 50-minute swim.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
And your youngest son is just like bouncing along. That was making me laugh.
Oh, it got to a point where I was pulling him and my oldest son through the entire thing. And there's that bull flag. But I'm like, I want to jump in. I do want to jump in right now, but I'm like, man, not sure if I want to trust it. Want to probably clear some of those previous wicks, at least the one where I got caught at.
Well, it's good. You got to get above that whole number, basically. Is that what you're looking at?
Yeah. Because the candle where it pulled back on me, that was around 302.
Yeah, so in the neighborhood of the...
Yeah. Well, the good thing about the moves, Trey, there's always plenty of them. There'll be another move.
Yeah, they always repeat themselves.
All right, come up to that whole number. We're coming up to that whole number. There's a whole number tab. Are we going to now get above this whole number? Because if we do, I got a pivot point sitting at 330.25. Well, 330 even. That's what I'll be targeting.
Damn, well, I wish this was my real account.
You heard it from the man himself.
Boy, that was 13 right there, boy. That would have looked good.
Said 320 or something on that.
330
330.
for the pivot. I'm targeting the pivot point, boys. Your boy's in right now. 4 contracts deep. Close out $1,200 right there on that trade. We came up to that pivot. I was targeting that pivot point.
Okay, what's next if it just keeps rocketing?
High for the high of the 15. High of the 15.
Yeah,
350.50.
And then
350.50.
345 was open and then 350.50. Okay. Well, I'm surprised. This is the first time I looked at the screen that you're not in a trade. Like, wow.
I have not been trading that much today, Steve. Don't play me. I have not been trading that much.
No,
Jesus.
it's the duration. Like one of them, it was like a television episode.
Hey, Duane,
Yeah.
for the take profit, it's saying I need to get the upgraded data or something like that. 'Cause I was trying to take a trade and it let me.
Upgraded data?
It says some market data. Oh, it says yeah.
Did you sign all your documents in your trade evade?
That's probably what it is.
That's probably what it is.
Yeah, you gotta sign the documents in trade evade.
So
Yeah,
how do I go about that?
So you log into trade evade, and right in the beginning, you have to use the credentials Take Profit gives you, and then you just sign all the documents saying you're a non-professional, everything like that,
So
and then you'll get the live data feed. BP slept in accidentally. BP, you haven't missed much, dude. Mark has been chopping.
He slept in because he already made $10,000 by the time it was like 1 a.m. So
He was gaming last night while on stream with me for the trader saying he was gaming last night. It was hilarious.
Oh, got you. That's why. I'm like, what the hell?
You're welcome, sir.
was it kind of rejecting out that pivot, my drawn in line, and then going back down? Is that your general field, VWAP?
Let's see here. Took my eyes off the chart. We're back below this pivot. So like on the 2 minute right here, I see a potential bull flag. I do see a potential bull flag here. But I want more momentum because we got these wicks on top of those candles.
Well, those wicks are kind of bringing it down below the pivot. So I'm wondering if it's just kind of like hitting that resistance there. And then kind of, now if there's a big, like a bullish run, knock
So
it through.
I'm good now, right, Duane? I did everything pretty much.
All right. Good job.
Let me update it on the Ninja. Just refresh it a little bit.
Yeah, just disconnect and reconnect.
All right. Dang, I wanted to get in it. Well, that's off the pick me anyway. Oh my gosh. I was literally I clicked buy when it was shooting up. How much did you get on that one? That one? Ooh,
1220.
See? Fuck. Ew. Why did I do that?
Hey, the flags always repeat themselves, sucker.
You right? Let us make-
Bro, at this point, don't even jump in, dude. Honestly, whenever you don't start around your normal time, just like don't even try. You know what I'm saying? Because that's when like sometimes mistakes can happen because you feel like you need a trade or you want to trade because you didn't trade.
He's got a streak. He just needs to make at least $20.
He just needs $20. Well,
To keep his streak
I
alive.
won today, so I'm green. I'm green on the day, so we'll take that.
I'm green on one account, so I didn't start trade. I'm on to take profit.
G, Andre saying it might drop. It might drop for sure. I don't see that. I see us hitting the top of that 15-minute range. 350.50. 350.50.
Ooh, we're shooting up.
It's touching that open in a second.
It's about to shoot up.
We got a lot of these wicks up here. That's why I don't like them. Lots of selling wicks.
Because that open might be acting as a sort of resistance, right?
Yeah.
Rocket ship, baby. Come on.
We all love some good old rocket ships.
Oh yeah. When it happened.
I just sized down just in case I take another trade.
Going there.
Okay. If it's there, it's there, dude. You know what I'm saying? If it's there, it's there. If it's not, come back tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Trade on Wednesday. Well, gentlemen, about 4 more minutes. Just trying to see how this plays out right here. I'm gonna be jumping off since we do have our training at 11:30. I don't know why I said 10:30. 11:30 Eastern AM for the Legacy. It'll be the same link to get on the live stream in the community. Same link, so just jump back on that.
Jimmy T.
And we'll be ready. We're gonna be ready. You know, and we're going to be recording right onto my nice big old hard drive. You know what I'm saying? Instead of going through the Zoom recording.
No, the Zoom's going to compress the hell out of it because they're stingy with their storage. So
yeah. BP, I am doing a class. Same class that I did on Friday. When I recorded it, it recorded on the Zoom and it came out horrible. Like the quality was trash. So we're going to redo it, and we're going to keep it moving.
Which is cool because on my chart, I got it like 95% there because I was just kind of...
Sir, that's called consolidation. That's called consolidation right there on the Renko bars. Go ahead, Steve. What was that?
No, I was just saying, like, as I was trying to follow along and take notes and then switch my charts, so now I should be able to, like, do it more in a real time and just have it all the way done over at the trading view. So
yep. And for Legacy, for everyone to know, please hold all your questions till the end of the training, and then we'll be good. Like all questions, just hold. I'll because the first portion I'm just showing you guys how to set up your trade evades. So right after that, we'll have questions and answers for the Trade Evade segment.
I'm going to just jump on at 11:45 then and save my place. Otherwise, I'll be in the VIP room.
No. You're not going to the VIP room. And then we'll do the Renko Bar training as well after the Trade Evade. And this should only take, honestly,
Look at this.
like maybe 30 minutes or so for the training and Q&A as well. So it's super quick, super simple.
So, Duane, tell me about your favorite color.
So, but yep. When I say it's opened up for questions, then we'll get the questions and we'll keep moving from there.
Remember when you first started doing your live stream and somebody popped on and said, I'm gonna like listen to what you say because you have one of those rich man like, gray shirts or whatever. It was like
Yeah, vaguely. That sounds like something that would happen on the stream.
I
Oh,
was like, what does that even mean? Like, you know, it's like, oh, it's a guy with a gray shirt.
It's working out.
Gonna head back down or what? D-Rock.
well,
Call the last move of the day.
yeah. Call the last move, G, because I'm gonna get off here at 11:10. So we'll have 20 minutes of intermission before our training. All right, G doesn't want to call it out. G, are we going up or are we going down? I'm gonna go full tilt like I did with BP yesterday on whatever you tell me. Oh, never mind. Guess not. Order filled. All right. Well, markets. That's looking like a bull flag on the 5 minute right there. That is looking like a bull flag. But
It is, but it's also just kind of like
yeah.
it's like those two of those previous candles closed at the top at the same, so there's that area of resistance. Whoa, that was weird. I'm not touching the mouse, and I moved it. I guess it like the table tilted, so my cursor moved across the screen. Trippy.
Dre says he sees a nice short. Dre, do you feel confident about it being a nice short with those bottom wicks? That's my question.
If you're looking for data to support a short, if you look at the 1 minute, it's kind of showing a bear flag. If you were trying to justify that, boom.
Yeah, you gotta squint your eyes and turn your head to the side sometimes to see your flag. If you tilt this way and look with one eye, that's a yellow flag. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, both of them start with B, so what do you want? It's toddling along. It's gonna it tested the EMA. Oh.
All right, look at Dre. Dre called it. He said, I see a nice short.
He did.
I just see these wicks. That's my issue. I see these bottom wicks and it does not make me want to go short. It makes me want to go long. Because right now, look at that wick on that 5 minute. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not trying to short into that. Because I see a bull flag on the 2 minute. Let's switch over to the 1 minute. Let's see. We maybe. Yeah, I just don't like these wigs. I just don't like these wigs for me.
I feel like that short was just because I wanted to run back to the EMA. You know what I mean? So it did as such. So. All right, everybody. I'll see you at 11:30.
Yep.
Those are their back.
Yes, sir. All right, guys. I'm gonna be getting off here. I'll see all you guys for Legacy at 11:30. 11:30. We'll have the training.
And I'm making a big note, just so you know, with a sticky note that says no questions.
No questions. So I say open up for questions.
You know, it's kind of like the Lake Brantley graduation. So they're like, okay, let me do the Lake Brantley graduation real quick. They'll be like, and I love it, but every one of the people that's like, you know, like, so they'll be like, Eduardo Montoya Gonzalez, and it's like the shotgun blasts go off, and
Yeah.
it's like, then it's like Tom Hand.
Yeah. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Well, boys, I will see you guys at 11:30. I'm gonna jump off. Gotta make a call real quick before our training here. So I will see you guys shortly. LJ, welcome back, sir. Hold up. LJ's up in here. He snuck in here. I didn't even see you jump in. Well, what's up, dude? Well, we got training at 11:30, and I will see you guys on the training. See you guys shortly. Be blessed.
You as well. You as well.
For all the people on the YouTube stream, first off, thank you for tuning in, chilling, and making money with me today. I hope you enjoyed our morning session. Tonight, yes, I said tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, Traders Hangout, the go-to place to talk about trading, to vibe with like-minded individuals, and to just watch the markets. I'm not going to trade the overnight session. The market will be pulled up, so we'll talk about it, answering questions, and just vibing with you guys. So if you're still trading, stay safe in the markets, and I will see you guys tonight. Be blessed, everyone.